Hello neighbors, Steven here with etrailer.com. Today we're looking at this corner gate latch for your utility trailers. Now folks, this will replace the damaged or worn out latch on the corner of your utility gate trailer, and it can be installed on the right or left hand side of the trailer depending on how you want to do it. It is nice zinc-plated 8-gauge steel. It's durable and it's going to resist corrosion, and it's made here in the US. Now as far as some dimensions, the pin itself is a 1/2 inch thick pin. The mounting holes on these guys here, they mount up together and match up. All three pieces are the same, so I want to show you that before I measure it. We are getting center to center 2 1/8. And again, all of those are the exact same center to center. All right, folks, well that is going to wrap it up for our look at this corner gate latch for utility trailers. I'm Steven. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there.